Isn't that supposed to go around the tree?
Yeah.
He's working on it.
Oh. Oh, I see what he's doing. Oh, shit!
Do it again!
I forgot the other wire.
Okay, attempt 2. Let's try this shit again.
And this year's Darwin Awards go to Nicholas J.
Sure.
That ladder's pretty offset.
We'll blame the ladder for that. Chad, hand him the string. Wait, that one, it's funny. It's that one. He needs it wrapped around.
I don't think this is the worst. How much length do I have?
Hand it to him on the other side. Go around.
Hold on. Let's see if I can get the string.
More length, you need it around your hands closer to you.
What am I
Then you use your feet to push up.
Ooh.
You're handing that to him around the other side.
This thing is not working as well as
Just for disclosure purposes, we were not drinking when we attempted this.
Slippery.